Able Futures delivers the Access to Work mental health support service across England, Scotland and Wales. The service provides no-cost mental health support for people in work who might have something on their minds that may impact them at work. The Access to Work mental health support service is designed to give regular support that is tailored to individuals, but we also support employers to support their employees at work as part of their commitment to supporting their workforce.
My name is Diana and I work for Allianz Insurance. Using the service for our workforce and having it available has been an extra tool in our armoury. So we have an EAP service, we have our mental health first aiders, but with the pandemic having hit the organisation and mental health services not being readily available, with there being long waiting lists, to actually have an additional support mechanism that we've been able to offer to our staff has been a really useful tool in our kit of information that we can pass out.
Able Futures can support employees, including self-employed people, contractors, temporary workers and apprentices, with the things that might play on their mind at work. They may be experiencing anxiety or depression, for example. They might not necessarily know what it is that's causing them to feel low, but if they can identify that they've got things that play on their mind that might sometimes impact them at work, they can receive support from a vocational rehabilitation consultant, which we shorten to VRC.
So in my role, I work to support employees who come onto the service who need support for their mental health in work. I work with them for 9 months across the programme and work with them on a monthly basis to provide them information, advice and guidance on how to manage their mental health at work. Able Futures can support on a range of different mental health issues, including mild to moderate depression, anxiety, sleep issues, confidence, and also anything else that might be playing on your mind and impacting you at work.
So in supporting employers, firstly it's to tell them that the service exists, and often people ask what's the catch, because we let them know that there is a no-cost 9-month service for employees to support their mental health. So once I've established who the best connection is, we make a plan to embed the service for their people, and the employers come in various shapes and sizes, so one way of launching might not be the same for another organisation. We let the employers know that in addition to helping them to share the service with their employees, we also provide an employer service. So an employer can reach out to Able Futures when they have a question on supporting their people, whether it's one hypothetical person or a whole department, and we provide advice and guidance from the mental health professionals that deliver the service.
Allianz really promotes the well-being of its staff and looking after its mental health. To actually have an additional support mechanism that we've been able to offer to our staff, it has meant that we've actually been able to keep staff working as opposed to them going on long-term sick.
So Able Futures is funded by the Department for Work and Pensions as part of the Access to Work mental health support service. Employers that promote the service to their employees are providing a no-cost service whereby people can access support for the things that might play on their mind and impact their mental health at work. Support is completely confidential, there's no cost to use the service. A person will work with a mental health professional for 9 months to understand their mental health and build tailored coping strategies so that they can learn how to look after themselves and feel better at work and thrive in future.
For more information about how Able Futures could support your staff if mental health issues are affecting them at work, please visit the Able Futures website or call Able Futures on 0800 321 3137.